Hello everyone and very warm welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel India Gate. This is Nandin Sharma and I am going to start providing various GATE lecture of CSIT students. So in my first video I have provided various subject description of CSIT students. There are 10 to 12 subjects which is I'm going to explain it's their marks as well as the important topics. So first one your subject is Sanskrit and engineering mathematics and it carry 14 to 20 marks. Really, this is very important subjects of engineering GATE exam. The next one or second one is theory of computation and this contains 8 to 10 marks. The next one or third one is digital logic and it carry 5 to 10 marks. The next one or fourth is computer organization and architecture. It contains 5 to 15 marks. The next one or fifth one is programming and data structure and it carries 10 to 15 marks. Next one is your algorithm and this is really important subjects as per your GATE as well as other external exams. It contains 5 to 7 marks. The next one or seventh one is compiler designer or it contains 4 to 6 marks. The next one and eighth one is operating system. It carries 8 to 10 marks. The next one or ninth one is database or it contains 6 to 12 marks. The next one or 10th one is your computer network and it carry 8 to 11 marks. There are two more subjects like software engineering and web designing and this carries 2 to 3 marks in GATE exam as well as there is a very most important subject your and general aptitude which is carry 15 marks and really I say you that engineering mathematics and general aptitude is like your oxygen in this exam, without mathematics and general aptitude, you never be supposed that you have to crack the GATE exam. So, this is really important subjects and as well as your technical subjects is very important. And this is perform very special and important role in your GATE exam and these marks is based on your previous year GATE paper. So now going to discuss the each subject in detail with its important topics. There is I prepare our chart paper for each important topics as well as our more core subjects. So first one is theory of computation and I said 8 to it carry 8 to 10 marks and important topics of this subject is regular expression and finite automata, CFG, context-free grammar and push-down automata, regular and context-free language, pumping lemma, Turing machines, decidability and decidability and NP problem. The next one is programming and data structure and it carry 10 to 15 marks. Important topics are programming in C, functions, recursion, parameters, passing, scoping, binding, abstract data type, arrays, stack, cube, linked list, tree, binary search tree and binary heap. Next one is operating system and it carry 8 to 10 marks. The important topics are process, thread, inter-process communication, concurrency, synchronization, deadlock, CPU scheduling, memory management and virtual memory file system, input-output system, protection and security. Next one is your computer networks and it carry 8 to 11 marks. The important topics are ISO, stack, in means 7 layer of OSI layer, LAN terminology, Ethernet, token, ring, flow and error control techniques, routing algorithm, congestion control, TCP, UDP, and sockets. IPv4 application layer protocols like ICMP, DNS, SMMP, POP, FTP, HTTP, etc. Basic concepts of hub, switch, gate, router, and gateway. In network security, the important topics are basic concepts of public key and private key, cryptography, digital signature, and firewall. The next one is your discrete and engineering mathematics, and it carry 14 to 20 marks. There are multiple points inside a point. First is mathematical logic. There is propositional and first order logic. Second one is your set theory and algebra. In this, set, relation, function, partial order and lattice, group, etc. Next one is combinators, and it contains important points are counting, recursion, relation, generating function, and graphical theory. There is connectivity, matching, and coloring. Next one is your probability, and it carries various important topics like random variable, uniform, normal, exponential, Poisson, and binomial distribution, mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, conditional probabilities, and Weiss theorem. The next one is your linear algebra, and important topics are matrix, determinant, system of linear equation, eigenvalue and vectors, LU decomposition. Next one is, and last one is your calculus. It contains limits, continuity, and differentiability, maxima and minima, mean, values theorem, and integration. Your last one subject is general aptitude, and it carry 15 marks. It is divided into two parts. First one is your verbal ability, and second is your numerical ability. In verbal ability, English grammar, sentence completion, verbal analogy, word groups, instructions, critical reasoning, and verbal detections. In numerical ability and data interpretation. So there are, I have carried only 6 technical subjects and 2 main important subjects like discrete and engineering mathematics, as well as your general aptitude. So this session is end here. I hope you understand all the points. Who one is not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel, as well as like and share these videos. Thank you. Have a great day.